time I'm remember and I can nothing talk because that's inside not me good.
Came here because I had problems back home, security problems. That's why I'm here. But I could have fun anyway.
So I'm working every night. My wife 1 day off, son 2 days off, but me every night, never stop.
He doesn't have a time, he's working and he might need to use a car, so he asked us to help him out and we're gonna do it. That's how friends do. If somebody needs help, you gotta get help.
What you have to do, you have to come. You gotta tell me, David, I'm coming on Saturday and we have an interview. None of this matters.
2 days off.
Today.
Yeah.
Day off. You talk about that like a regular job. God.
But I'm working, go to work in the morning and back
That's
home like 2-3 o'clock. Just a little eat something and go soccer field. Language not is problem for soccer.
We have just arrived here and people are saying, I'm tired, I want to go home, we want to play now. This is the time we want to play.